Hi everybody. Today I continue with add images to your existing item in your flat list. So let's continue with the previous lesson. We have a flat list with item, and the item contain only text. And now I want to add more images to the item. What can I do? The first I want to do is let's go to the flat list item. And what about the data? The data I will add more link to here or URL to here, images URL. So this is a link to the image. And what can I do to get the image? There are many ways you can use your image, but in this case I download from wiki. Yes, for example, I search for cream tea in wiki. Click to the wiki, and we double click to the image. In space element, we have the link to this, or the URL maybe HTTPS, and some of the part and .jpg, and I copy this image URL. I copy this image URL and paste to here. So I do similarly with any other objects. So we have image URL for each of the object inside the array. So we paste to the array here. So we have each of the object has some image. Okay, so here we have the text. So before the description and the name of the food, we add an image before here, and the image has a source. The property of source is a point to the image URL, and the style property has width and height the same, 100 pixel, or it is square. And I have to copy these text into a view. So I define a view. This view is near the image, so I copy these two line and adding to the view. So the view and the image is near and adjacent. So we see that it is the image near the view, and inside the view we have two text, and outside the image and the view we have the parent view. So I draw here to show you more easier to understand with the different color for each of the frame. So you have to add image and set the flex duration to row. The first is to row. So you see that the parent view has a style row. So inside this we have image, we have view, and inside the view we have name of the food and description, or food description. Okay, so see that it is very easy to understand. I draw to you for you to see. Let's remember that about the flex duration in the previous lesson about flexbox auto layer. Okay, and here after running you see that the output here we have yes. So I need to show only one color, so no need to add two color. So you use one color only, and okay, and use the background color is medium sea green. Okay, so here I want to add a separate line for each of the row. We want to add more separate line. So the separate line is also a view, a very small view with the height is 1 pixel. So you want to adding this, you have to move all of the view here inside of parent view. So I define a bigger view, And yes, this is a parent view, and I copy on this view and paste to here. I paste to yes inside this view. So this view has a flex direction is the column, and the previous is the first view, and now I add one more view below. This view has a height only 1 pixel, so I add this to below this view. So this is a view with the height is the height is 1 pixel, and now the color is white, for example. So it has a height is 1 pixel, and the background color is white. Okay. Then you can run. So you see that this is what I need. We have each of the cell here as the same style, and we have the square image, and we have text for description, for food name. Then if the data here it has a long description. What for example, we have a long description. This is long line. I copy paste to create a new line to so it has multiple line, and then it will be automatically remove if it is too long. So the up and down here is the same as up and down, marking up and marking top and marking down, but bottom like the of the image. So okay, thank you very much for watching this lesson today. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos or download code from GitHub here.